How to share an iPhone calendar event. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the calendar application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the bottom panel and tap on Calendars in the middle. Then, tap on Add Calendar at the bottom left corner. Select Add Calendar. Over here, type in the calendar name. And then, tap on Add Person below to share the calendar. Here, type in the name of the person you want to share this calendar event with and tap on Add at the top right corner. You can also change the color of the calendar as shown. Once you're done, go to the top right corner and tap on Done. As you can see, you have now successfully created a calendar event and can view it from here. Following these steps, you can easily share an iPhone calendar event. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.